Melody Susie has sent me the nail drill Christmas gift box to share with you. So this is the box in front of me, and I'm going to share everything in it. Now this box, as you can see, it's striking, nice packaging, perfect red for Christmas, love the gold on it. So getting into the box, you guys are gonna love what's in here, a lot of great stuff. So on top is this big paper kind of showing what's in there, and it says Melody Susie gift box. So this is the box, I'm gonna show you everything in it. And I think I'm gonna go and show you the actual nail drill that comes in this box first. But before I pull the nail drill out, I wanna let you know I do have that 10% off code that you can use. It'll be down in the description, as well as a link to this box. So this is the Melody Susie series, and it's called the Jade nail drill. I love the name to start with. So I'm gonna get into it. I'm just gonna bring the camera up closer for you so you can see everything better. And it is a rechargeable cordless nail drill, and that in itself is great. So you can take it with you. Wait till you see this one. It is striking. It is small and compact like a phone. But before I show you that, let's look at what else is in here. Of course, you always get a user's manual. I'm not going to go through that, but it kind of tells you everything about it. Now here is the rechargeable cordless drill, and look at how small and compact. I don't think I've ever seen one so small. That is great. And it's a nice milky white color with antique gold accents. It's very striking, just really nicely made. And the LCD display has a protective cover you just pull off. It has a spot to attach a handpiece holder, and on the bottom is the adapter plug-in. And it has the clip on the back so you can attach it to your clothes. And on the top, it has the reverse and forward for right tech, reverse for left tech, or if you're using it on yourself, it's for your dominant hand using your non-dominant hand to file. And it has the knob in which to change speeds, and this goes up to 30,000 RPMs. I'll be showing you that. And it's got the little holes to plug in the handpiece with. So on the front of it, the LCD display, it's going to show you your battery percentage. It's also going to give you your accurate RPMs and the direction in which you're using it. So now I'll just pull out everything else that comes with the Jade nail drill. So it does come with some sanding bands. And it also comes with a stand for your handpiece if you want to put it right on your desk. It also has the holder for the handpiece for the actual drill that you put on the side. It just slips in, and then your drill handpiece can go inside there if it's clipped onto your clothes. And then it has the standard set of drill bits. It has the mandrel bit and some diamond bits in here. And of course, some more sanding bands. And there's the AC adapter cord, and it is a long one. I'm going to undo it because I'm going to be showing you using it on a client a little bit later on in this video after I show you everything in the box. Now I'm just going to grab the drill to show you where it goes in the adapter cord. So it goes in the bottom, like I said before, really simple. And I'm going to see what else is in here. That's all that's in that side. Now we've got the handpiece. And the handpiece, oh, I'm already liking it by picking it up. It's very lightweight, which is a bonus, mostly when you're using them all the time. And it is so nice. Like, as you can see, it is like a matted white with the antique gold. I've never seen one this color. So it's showing locked, now unlocked. So locking it back up, the bit cannot come out, and then I'm gonna unlock it, turn it to the left. Now it can come out. So I'll put it back in as if it was my actual drill bit. This actually protects the inside of that shaft, so it's good to keep it in there when not in use. So turning to the right again, now it's locked up and the bit will not come out. So I'm just gonna grab my unit now, the nail drill, and I'm gonna attach the handpiece to where it's supposed to go. You just need to line up the 2 holes with the 2 holes on the top of the drill. And you just have to push a little bit harder, not too hard, but just to get them in there. And once they're in there good. Now it's ready to use. I'm gonna show you a little bit later on a client, but it is a striking nail drill. And I'm just gonna stick it on the piece for the hand piece. If you had it on your desk, it is so compact, like I said already. And I'm just going to take off the screen protector on the LCD display so it's ready when I'm ready to show you. So I'm going to show you everything else in the box right now, and then I will show you with sound using this on a client to give you my thoughts on it. So the next thing is out of the box. I'm just going to show you this before I bring the red box over. This is a set of blue carbide bits, a 7-piece set, and they're good carbide bits. So that's nice that they come in the box. And I'm thinking these most likely are medium carbide bits. It doesn't say, I did look it up, and it just says that they're blue carbide bits, but I know what I'd use them for. They have a safety bit there around the flat top one, and there's like a cuticle bit in there, and there's just a bunch of different bits. You can kind of tell by seeing them how coarse they are, what you'd use them for, and of course the dust brush as well. So that is really nice that that comes in this gift box. So I'm going to be using some of these on my client, or at least 1 or 2 of them when I show you the actual nail drill. So I'm just going to pull out the first one that I'll be using on my client, and I'll get it ready for later. And I'm just going to grab the box and we'll take a look at what else is in here. So this is a 300-piece sanding band. So that is a lot of sanding bands in there. And I'm assuming they look like they're probably fine or medium. I'm not seeing it on there. I would have to look on this site, but a whole bunch of them. So that's nice. And there's also a little kit. Now the tip cutters, I'll open it up to show you better. So a nice pair of pink tip cutters. And also we've got a cuticle pusher. As a nail tech, I've never used the other one in this package, but I'm pretty sure it's for, say, if you soak off acrylic and you want to remove the acrylic that's been soaked in acetone off the nail, that's what you would use. I also use these for a lot of different things, for like using acrylic powder and sprinkling it. But yeah, so you get 2 of those. So that's nice. Also in the kit, we've got some UV shield gloves. Oh, that's nice to have. And it says one size fits most. And I will show you. And they say Melody Susie. What is this? Protects your hands. Here they are. So of course your fingers stick out of the edges, which is nice. So it's just protecting your hand in general if you're doing your nails. You get 2 of those. Say Melody Susie. And we also get some products for nail art. These are the shells that are somewhat crushed. That's nice. A bunch of different colors. And the last thing in the box, some foil. So that's always nice to get too. So I have a client coming in right away for a fill. So we're going to try the Jade nail drill on her nails. I'm going to turn the volume up right away so you can hear the sound of the Jade nail drill. And I'm also going to be using another bit as well, a cuticle bit. And at the end, I will give you my thoughts on the bits, on the drill, the handpiece. So make sure you stick around to hear what I have to say about it at the end. Now I'm going to be grabbing the cuticle bit from the blue carbide bit kit, the 7-piece set, and I'm going to show you using that on the cuticles. And I'm just going to do the one nail on this client. I do use the drill through the whole fill, but I pretty much just want to show you the sound and what I think of it. So just doing around her cuticles and removing it off of the natural nail. And I'll let you listen to what it sounds like now. So I want to quickly give you my thoughts on the drill. The handpiece itself is nice and lightweight. The drill is quiet, it's very smooth, it's nice and compact. I love the design of it. The bits are really good. They removed very quickly, as you saw. So all in all, I highly recommend this box. It has a lot of great products in it for a really good price. I think they're even having a sale on it right now. I will put the links in the description as well as my 10% off code. So if you're interested, it will be down there. So I want to say thank you once again for watching. And if you could please like and subscribe, and I'll see everyone in the next one.